Welcome to the Introduction to SIVA Recruitment Center training. I am Remy Librador from Customer Care, your trainer for this session. SIVA Recruitment Center is JobStreet.com's system that helps employers in sourcing the best fit candidates. Now, I'll be giving you a quick walkthrough on job posting and talent search. At SIVA Recruitment Center, you need to log into your SIVA accounts. You have to input your login ID and password. Once you are logged in, you will be prompted to the system's homepage. Right on top is the access to job ads, where you can create job advertisements or talent search if you want to proactively search for candidates. At the bottom right, you will see a calendar view of interviews you have set. On the left will be the listing of upcoming interviews, and below are important notices from JobStreet.com. If there are any alerts or notices, the bell above will turn red. Being familiar with your homepage helps you navigate the system easier. Now, let's go to job ads. On this page, you will see a clean layout and quick overview of job ads and application statuses, which will help you processing quickly. The job ads are listed based on recency, with the newer posted ones on top. All inactive and expired jobs are in gray at the bottom, as you should be done with the processing. You can view, edit, repost, deactivate or reactivate your job ads, and collaborate with other recruitment staff. We will further discuss collaborate on the succeeding slides. On this page, a Save Draft folder is available as well. Beside that is the option to create new job ads. Let us now explore creating a job ad. The job creation page is divided into three parts. First part is Write. On this portion, you can input your job details, such as position title, the type of role, position level, years of experience, and job specialization. All information that you have provided in here are used in job matching, and this determines who sees your ad or who gets the job alert email. Here, on the right portion, you'll also have to choose the type of ad. Some may not be familiar. We have different types of job ads. We have light, basic, branded, and premium. Remember, the ad type that will show in this portion are the only available credits that you have in your account. Let's say you have purchased a branded ad and you were given a free light ad, so only those types will be seen here. Also, the credit is about to expire will be pre-selected. Credit balance and expiry date will be shown as well. Should you need to choose a different type, just simply click on the boxes. If you want to know more on these types, explanations are also available on the right side of the page. Another necessary job detail is the work location. For a wider reach, we highly suggest to choose the region, then indicate the city or province on the specific location portion. Next, we have the posting site. We have different sites across Asia. For your ad salary, the system will be showing a salary suggestion based on the details you previously indicated. This will show suggested monthly salary for your post based on the market range. The last part of the right portion is your ad's job description. You'll have a free text box where you can input the summary of the role and your company. Best if you can indicate core responsibilities, requirements such as soft and hard skills, and rewards. Aside from the salary, you can showcase non-monetary benefits that your ideal candidate will value most. You may check out our laws of attraction for specific driver per specific candidate on our website. Also, please be aware of our discriminatory policies and practices to avoid the activation of your ad. We get to the second part of the ad creation page. Just click on Next. On the Enhanced portion, you will have the option to add questions for candidates. These questions will help you sort incoming applications, especially for entry-level positions where you will get tons of applicants. Pre-chosen questions will be revealed based on the job details you have indicated on the right portion. You may choose a maximum of 5 questions, or you'll be the one to set up the answers as well. These questions will be shown to applicants when they applied at your job ad. Each applicant will be automatically scored for you based on their answers that will match to yours. Kindly take note that you cannot add or edit the questions or answers once the ad has been posted. After adding questions for candidates, you will now need to choose the package you want to use in posting your ad. If you have an existing branded ad, we encourage you to add three employer value propositions or key selling points. You may add here your perks and benefits of working in your company's culture, and career growth. If you only have basic or light credit, this portion won't be shown. Another details and enhanced portion are the skills and education that is being used to refine and provide better matching. Just a note for skills, we highly suggest to apply a specific keyword. For example, driving instead of should know how to drive. You can apply a maximum of 10 skills and 3 education level. Also, if you wish to advertise as company confidential, we have that option as well. You just need to provide a company overview without mentioning your company name. However, we still encourage to post with visible company details to establish legitimacy. Then click Next. Once done with all the job details, you will land on the third part of job ad creation. Here, you can set a posting date if you wish to post this ad on a later date. You will also have a preview on the package that will be deducted to the total credits that you have in your account. But before posting the ad, you may either click Save button if you wish to save the ad first. However, if you wanted to see how your job ad will look like on a desktop and mobile view, you may click on Preview. This is how your ad will look like on a desktop view once posted on our website. You can see your logo, position title, company name, location, and salary range. You'll see the job description as well, additional information, company overview, additional company information, and company photos. You'll also be able to view how your ad looks like on mobile. Once done with all the job details and checking its view on the desktop and mobile, you may now click Post. Once you have posted your job, you will be prompted to search. Integrating your job ad with Talent Search allows you to start sourcing for additional candidates based on job specialization as well as the location and position title. To start using this, just click on Search Candidates. In Talent Search, we only have one search box built to be intuitive and intelligent. The system understands your industry and preferences. The more that you use it, the more it learns and remembers your preference. This is how Talent Search works. For example, as you can see on your screen, we keyed in Software Engineer as the position title, JavaScript and SQL for skills, Software and Design for keywords. Make sure to click on Search button. The search result will show profiles containing software engineer in the position title, JavaScript and SQL as skills, and software and design as keywords. So these are your recommended candidates. They are ranked for you according to relevance, so the best match ones will be on top. Remember that the system learns your preference and will surface the most relevant to you based on your industry. You can also use the multifaceted filters on the left side of the page. This panel allows you to slice and dice your requirements further, and the results will be adjusted in real time. Search results will display the most relevant candidates in the first 3 pages to speed up shortlisting process, but you can sort them by most relevant and last updated. You also have the option to save your search for future reference. Just click on Save once done. Once you have clicked on the candidate's business card, a full profile will show. Please note that only the qualification of the candidates will show. There are no names and contact details. You'll be able to gauge the candidate based on the highlighted keywords on the profiles that match those you use in searching. On the top right corner of the candidate's profile, you'll be able to see when was the candidate last updated his or her profile and when was the last time they were active. If you have decided to consider this candidate, you will have the option to retrieve their full resume. Candidates' uploaded resume will be directly saved to your computer. Also, you will have an option to bookmark the candidate's profile by clicking the ribbon icon, and this will be saved to your account. Another feature that Talent Search caters is the Save Searches. In here, you can save the details you applied in the search box for future reference. Just click on the Save Searches option. In here, you can either edit the search name or delete it. Just click on the three dots. To access bookmark profiles, you may click on Bookmarks button beside the Save Searches. You can filter the bookmark profiles based on months and user who bookmarked that profile. Once done retrieving the resumes of the chosen applicants, just click Retrieve Resumes option to invite them for an interview. Upon clicking the Retrieve Resumes button, you will land on this page. Just click on Invite below the expected salary of the candidate. To scan through the details, you will have the option to edit the email, and you may click Preview to see how it looks like on the candidate's end. Once done, click Send. Status of the interview can be seen on the candidate's details. As an addition, you may filter the resumes by month and even the user who retrieved the resumes. Now that you have sourced your candidates, it's time to process them. Once you start receiving applications, all of them will drop into the unprocessed folder. You can access applications from the job titles or by clicking on the folders. Our recommendation is to process candidates to shortlist or not suitable as soon as you receive them and leave the unprocessed folder empty for new applicants. The reason for this is that when new candidates come in, you can immediately identify them from this page. So if you have 4 to 5 jobs running, you can also immediately identify when there are new ones. Let's go to the unprocessed folder. The system gives you two viewing options. First, we have the card view, and we have the list view. As an addition, you can filter these candidates based on relevance, recency, and their answers to the questions for candidates that you've set during ads creation. Please note that the option for answers will only be visible if you applied a question. Applications are listed in Business Card Display, displaying critical information for a 3-second decision. You may view the details of the candidates by clicking on the card. No additional pop-up tab or screen. Once you have already selected the right candidates, just contact the candidates directly through the contact details made available. Or you can move them to shortlist. Once you have shortlisted the candidates for interview, you may invite them for an interview. Just click on the interview option. You may schedule the candidate for a phone call or face-to-face interview. In here, you can edit the email content, and you have the option to set the time and date for the interview. Once done, just click Send. Let us now learn how to create new users. Under your name, select All Users to get to the user management page. Once you've landed on the user management page, click Create User. Creating a user is easy as just filling out the details of the new user. The platform allows you to have multiple users with different rights. Default access rights are as follows: job posting, talent search utilization, user management, and credit management. Once done, click the Save button. Please note that anyone with user management rights may create a user. Once you have created the users, you can invite them to collaborate with you on selecting the candidates. You may invite other users like HR colleagues and hiring managers to collaborate on SIVA Recruitment Center. Just click Collaborate to assign job ads to other users. There will be a pop-up message for you to choose to whom you will assign the job posting. Just click Done. The user may now access the job ad you collaborate with them. Next up would be creating or editing your company profile. Again, under your name, select Company Profile. Please note that the option for company profile can only be viewed and edited by the super user and those with administrator accesses. If you have multiple company profiles in your account, you may choose which profile that you would like to edit with. Once done, just click the button for Edit Profile. In here, you will be asked to provide your company name, industry, and an overview so that candidates will have an idea about your company. The system will be giving you a tips and samples when creating or adding company overview. Once done, just click on Next. On this portion, you will fill out the additional company information and snapshot, for it will be displayed as well online once the job ad is posted. This will also help candidates to have some bits of information from your company. You may include as well why candidates should join your organization. Once done, just click on Next. For the last part of your company profile, here you may include your company logo, banner, and additional photos, and even the YouTube link if you have videos in there. Once done, just click on Save. In SIVA Recruitment Center, you are given an option to purchase credits online and view credit usage. So from the drop-down menu on your name, select Orders/Credits. You'll now be prompted to your order history. In here, you can click on each package's arrows to view the credit type, credit balance, order date, and expiry date. You may also click on the package name to see further package details, such as order items and usage history. You may also view your credit usage by filtering through dates, products, and users. To place an order online, you may click on Purchase Credits. You may choose from the options that will appear. Online orders may be prepaid or postpaid. Remember, prepaid packages are discounted and payment is required first before activation, while postpaid packages have a post now, pay later policy and is available 24/7. To help you decide which type of credit you need to purchase, you will be given samples on how different credit type looks like on the website and mobile app. You may visit our purchase and billing FAQs on our Help Center for further details. Once you have decided which credit type to purchase, you may scroll up, then click Select on the chosen product. This is how it looks like when you choose a package that you wanted to purchase. You have an option to pay it either through credit card or by paying through check or bank transfer. Just fill in the details if you are paying through card, then click Pay Now. Once done with the order, you'll just have to wait for the activation. Remember, activation will depend on the package you chose if it's either prepaid or postpaid. For prepaid orders, once you have settled the payment, you need to send your proof of payment to your account managers or to our finance team. Email will be shared later. We have a self-service center available for you on your SIVA accounts and on the website, should you need guides in navigating the system. From the Employer section, you may choose Help Center as seen on your screen. Then click which option that you prefer to know more about, and details will be provided. Some reminders with your account. First is to log out properly. Do not directly close tabs or windows without logging out of SIVA. This usually causes accounts to get locked or suspended. Another reminder, do not share accesses. We highly encourage to create access for each users instead of sharing accesses. Please note that we allow a maximum of 15 users per account for free. Just in case you encountered a technical issues, you may refer to the basic troubleshooting that you can do first on your end, such as first, clearing cache and cookies, deleting browser history, change browsers, check browser's version, and restart device. If the issue persists even after doing these steps, you may send a screenshot and description of the issue to corpcare-ph@jobstreet.com. Also, you may give us a call at 8286-6222, dial 2, from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Also, here's the email of our finance department. That's finops-ph@jobstreet.com. This has been Remy Labrador, your trainer for this session. Thank you for watching our SIVA Recruitment Center training video, and we wish you the best of luck in looking for the one. Have a great day ahead.